Welcome back. It's now time for your lunchtime sports. The West Indies suffered a heavy 10-wicket defeat to Australia inside 3 days of the first test in Adelaide on Friday. Now, after resuming the day on 73 for 6, the West Indies were bowled out for 120 in their second innings. Joshua Da Silva added only 1 to his overnight 17, while Alzarri Joseph made 16 and Shamar Joseph 15. Josh Hazlewood was the pick of the Aussie bowlers as he grabbed 5 for 35 to end with 9 wickets in the match with a career-best haul of 9 for 79. It was all over before lunch as set a mere 26 runs to win. The Australians got to their target without losing a wicket. The only highlight for the Windies was Usman Khawaja being forced to retire hurt on 9 after being hit on the helmet by a bouncer from Shamar with 1 run to win. Captain Craig Brathwaite gave his assessment of the match.
Not what we expected and wanted. Obviously, bowling-wise, we did great, getting 10 wickets here in Australia under 300 runs. I think that was good. Obviously, we could improve, from that as well. Obviously, batting-wise, the top part of it, we didn't get going. Obviously, Kirk played well in the first innings. But yeah, we didn't get the scores. So obviously, that is what let us down in this test match.
The second and final test, which will be a day-night encounter, bowls off next week Wednesday at 11 p.m. Jamaica time. And staying on cricket, Joel Andrews scored the first century of the ICC Under-19 World Cup. However, it wasn't enough for the West Indies as they went down by 31 runs to host South Africa in Potchefstroom on Friday. Chasing 286 for victory, the young West Indians recovered from a precarious 17 for 3 and were eyeing victory at 225 for 7 before being dismissed for 254 in 40.1 overs. They lost their last 3 wickets for just 29 runs. Andrew had earlier led the recovery with a belligerent 130 of 96 balls, including 14 fours and 3 sixes. He also shared a 117-run 7th-wicket partnership with Nathan Seeley, who made 33. Jamaica's Jordan Johnson also contributed 21, while countryman Adrian Ware went without scoring. Pacer Kawina Mafaka was the pick of the South African bowlers with 5 for 38, while Riley Norton took 3 for 66. Earlier centre-back, the young South Africans posted a competitive 285 for 9 of their 50 overs. They were led by Dewan Marais, who top scored with 65. He also shared a crucial 131-run 7th-wicket partnership with captain Juan James, who made 47. David Tiga also made 44, and Luan de Pretorius 40. Nathan Seeley picked up 3 for 45 for the young West Indians. They'll next be in action next Wednesday against Scotland. Meanwhile, Ireland beat the USA by 7 wickets in the other match on the opening day. Two-time world 100-meter hurdles champion Danielle Williams says she would be delighted to be named the National Sportswoman of the Year for the first time when the ceremony is staged this evening. Williams is nominated alongside fellow world champion Shericka Jackson, bronze medalist Shirley Fraser-Price and Rochelle Clayton, and national netball captain Janelle Fowler. The 31-year-old, who secured her second world's title at the World Championships in Budapest, Hungary last year, was honored by her alma mater, the Queen's School, earlier today.
Jamaica, we have a rich sporting history, especially in the sprints, and so to be nominated is a wonderful achievement, especially amongst those wonderful athletes that we have. And I'm hoping the cards will play in my favor. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't, but I'm just happy to be there.
In the meantime, Williams' gold medal run is also nominated for the People's Choice Performance of the Year Award. And President of the Queen's School Alumni Association, Anique Brown, says they have given Williams all the support to win that award.
It really is an honor for us as a school to have the Queen's School affiliated with Danielle, and we will be voting for her. We have started voting for her. We'll be continuing to vote for her, and we look forward to her possibly winning that title this year.
Voting for the People's Choice Award closed at midday just a short while ago. The 63rd Annual R.J. Gleaner Sports Foundation National Sportsman and Sportswoman of the Year Awards Gala begins at 8:30 this evening and will be live on TVJ, TVJ Ascend and One Spot Media. Live radio coverage on Hits 92 FM set to begin at 7. It will be staged at the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel. And that is it for your lunchtime sports. And I am Jermaine Brown. Shamela, back to you.
Thank you, Jermaine. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.